Hi, this is Faisal. Today we are going to talk about JBQ 3-axis gimbal. I'm sure you have never seen such kind of gimbal which is powered by AI and have a lot of features. So it comes with two colors, black and white, whether you choose black or white. Let's talk about the features of this product. First of all, it can track the object whatever in the frame. And the second feature is 360 tracking. That means it can rotate in 360-degree and it can shoot the video in wide angles. And also it's weightless, you can take it anywhere. So let's open the box. This is JBQ 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. So let's open the box and see what's inside the box. And let me open the box, and I can see, and there is another box inside the box, and yes, it is. So here I can see the JBQ logo, and this is amazing packing. Let's open the packing, and I can see there is a form. Let's open the form and take it side and see there is a guide where we can see how to use the gimbal. And here I can see the gimbal. Let's take the gimbal and put it in the side. And also let's check the accessories. Yeah, this is the cable where I can charge the gimbal, and this is a tripod with the gimbal, and that's it. This is accessories, and this is a box here which makes it perfect. And let's take it side and let's see the gimbal. And yes, here I can see first the cable length, and yes, it's the type C to USB. Yeah, this is the perfect. And where we can charge, just find the port, and here I can see the type C port. Yes, here it is. So put it, and where you can charge and put it in the USB, because this is a USB to type C. And here I can see the battery of the gimbal. You can also change the battery of the gimbal and just like close it. And here you can see the logo of the JBQ, and also you can see it's really flexible, and it's like you can move it to 360 trackings. And also here you can see the remote where you can move right, left, and up and down. And you need to connect with the phone, because right now I'm not connecting, I'm just showing the product. So this is the buttons. These are the buttons we can see, and we can move left, right, up and down. And this is where we can put the mobile, and this is tripod with the gimbal. That is amazing. And you can also even use on the with the tripod, and also it will automatically track your face and track your position where you are. And here just it's like fixed, and then now make it perfect on the place. So here you can see is a tripod, and I have just kept it on the table, and I am moving it, so it will move automatically when you will connect with your mobile, and when you will place the phone on the phone holder, so it will move automatically. So let's remove it first. Tripod. So this is a tripod with the gimbal. You can use as accessories, and also here you can see. So this JBQ gimbal is specially created for content creators, vloggers, and photographers. So if you are looking for the perfect gimbal, contact us.